I'm Tony from JCB New Zealand, and today we're here to look at the 300T compact tract loader. The 300T is just over 5 tonne and it runs a 74 horsepower JCB diesel engine. Most skid steers you climb in through the front over the attachment, but the 300T in through the side. It's got one of the biggest cabs on the market. You'll see there's heaps of room in here. We've got 450mm wide Z pattern rubber tracks. This gives a good balance between traction and lifespan. A solid track frame. This is made for reliability on your construction sites. Some of our competitors will have suspension or rubber coated components, and any sort of metal like gap 40 or chip just shreds those to pieces. So solid track frame, all steel, gives you long lifetime, better reliability. All JCB skid steers and compact track loaders have one arm. This is called the power boom. The power boom is over-engineered. It's built with 20% more steel than the average skid steer with 2 arms. So 20% more on that single arm than most 2-arm loaders. The first place you start to see wear on any skid steer is the bucket pin, where the bucket attaches to the arm. JCB have made the pins on this machine much larger than your average skid steer, so it can run for longer before you start seeing some of that wear. The 4.4 litre JCB diesel engine is Tier 4 without AdBlue or DPF, but the most important thing about it is it's 400 Newton meters. So that's more torque than most of our 100 horsepower competitors. What this means is when you start loading it up with a rotating attachment like a mulcher or a planer, it can do more work before the engine RPM starts to drop. So on something like a 600mm cold planer, that means more meters per minute than even a 100 horsepower machine. So that's the 300T. You've got some great visibility with that single arm, good safety features with a side entry cab, really reliable track frame, and that massive performance from that big 4.4 litre engine. So get in touch with your local power farming dealer today if you want a demo or a test drive.